Good afternoon, this is Eddie, Multi-Man Services. Wow, the screen is dirty. Hope that's better. Phone gets a little dirty when we're doing gutter cleaning. We're here in Lake Geneva, Wisconsin. We just got done getting all the leaves and debris out of the gutters, power flushing all of the downspouts until we saw air moving out really good. So you're in good shape here. Gutters are nice and flushed and cleaned and set to go for the winter. Have us back here late spring, early summer to clean up all of the helicopters, whirlybirds, leaves, twigs. Your shingles are starting to show some signs of aging. On this side here, it probably sees a lot of the sun, starting to dry out a little bit. Loss of granulars in the gutter or shingle gravel. See this boot here? It looks like it could benefit from a tune-up. It's starting to pull up a little bit. So over time, instead of replacing, we encourage roof maintenance, roof tune-ups. So this roof here is probably in the range of 15 plus years old. Not sure how it's aging, but if you come over here, you can see the north side and how it's got a lot of algae growth. That's a sign that your shingles are starting to dry out. You got the black algae, black Gleocapsomagma is the scientific name for it. It's all up in this area here. But if you were to do a cleaning, that would remove all the moss and stuff that's starting to grow, lichen. Cleaning is one step, tune-up is and the roof rejuvenation from Roof Max is the final process to help extend the life of your roof. Every 5 years you do another rejuvenation treatment with the soybean oil and you're good to go. You shouldn't have to replace your roof for a very long time. So my name is Eddie, Multi-Man Services. Any questions about our gutter cleaning services, low pressure, gentle detergent washing, roof maintenance services, we look forward to helping you out. You can call or text on our phone number, 815-520-6020. Thanks so much. Take care.